All right, so let's talk about this trade that I just got into right here, right? So I initially got into it on before that leg that dropped down, and I didn't take profit at the level we're at right now. I had my take profit all the way down there, and it got me onto this whipsaw, and that messed with my psychology, and I closed it as it came up to my entry. Now it's still won. It never would have stopped me out, but the thing is psychology matters, right? Seeing negative numbers matter. So if you just trade level to level, take profits at the level, and then get back in if it continues to fall, right? So I didn't take the profits at the first drop, and it whipped all the way back up. Now I could have shorted that and shorted again and then shorted again. That would have been 3 level to level trades, right? This one I let hold, and if you look at edge pulse at the bottom, you have your early warning triangle, and then the red dumps through the middle, right? So that's letting you know that price is aligned with the trade shield bearish up there. See that? And then we're taking profit at the next level, and I have some sell stops down here to add into the position as it falls through, and I just hold this, and you'll notice that it does end up winning. And you just gotta trust in the system, and it will prevail, right?